Put both front wheels right in the air for you. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said, please stay back from the fence, stay off the lower seats. Stay back from the fence. I wonder why I would suggest stay back from the fence and stay off the lower seat. Has anybody out there got any idea? Well, I think it's a good idea to stay off the lower seat and stay back from the fence. Yep. Look at that. It doesn't bother a bit because they're going to be roaring around. Oh, now he wants to go from the back to the front. This is going to be good. This is going to be good. I think there is a possibility that 71 could pass 6. They were making a little deal there earlier, but if I was number 5, I'd be worried. Oh, the little green tractor's behind again. That's just too darn bad, eh? From the back to the front, and he's going to force to do it again. All this time, he's just from Algon to Sales and Service in Metcalfe, and he's putting on a show for you today. Stay back from the fence. It is going to get to be